Right, so that's our front driveway, dining room, lounge. As you're coming through the main door, to the left is the kitchen. There's a bedroom there. Hallway bit, there's a cupboard, empty cupboard. Oh. Shower, bathroom, toilet, etc. This is my room. I'll be using that one. It's got 2 beds spare. I came prepared as well. Little charger thingy jigs. Right, that's that. Oop, there's a bedroom with a toilet and bathroom there. Outside area. And if you come out here, little loungy about area. There's a tennis court down there, and if you look over there, there's the port. So yeah, that's the place we're staying at. Haha.